Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Are your mornings always busy?
Do you know how to talk about your morning routine in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about a busy morning before work.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You look like you're in a hurry.
I am. I woke up late today.
Oh no. What time did you wake up?
At 7:30.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30.
So you overslept by an hour.
Yes, my alarm didn't ring.
That must have been stressful.
It really was.
Did you have breakfast?
Not yet.
You should eat something before work.
I know.
What did you do first?
I took a quick shower.
Then what?
I brushed my teeth and got dressed.
Did you pack your bag?
Yes, I packed it last night.
That saved you some time.
Definitely.
Did you make coffee?
Yes, but I drank it very quickly.
Did you check the weather?
Yes, it looks sunny today.
That's good news.
I don't need an umbrella.
How are you getting to work today?
I'm driving.
Will there be a lot of traffic?
Probably.
You should leave now.
You're right.
Do you have everything?
Let me check.
Keys?
Yes.
Phone?
Yes.
Wallet?
Yes, I have everything.
Great. Have a safe drive.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning. You made it on time.
Yes, I was worried I would be late.
How was the traffic?
It was busy, but not too bad.
That's good.
I left home just in time.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I ate a sandwich in the car.
At least you didn't skip breakfast.
That's true.
Are you ready for work now?
Yes, I feel much better.
Great.
I'm ready to start the day.
Let's have a productive day.
Absolutely.
Are your mornings always this busy?
Not usually.
What's your normal morning routine?
I wake up early, exercise for 20 minutes, and have breakfast.
That sounds like a healthy routine.
It helps me feel energetic.
Do you prepare your clothes the night before?
Yes, I do.
That's a smart habit.
It saves a lot of time in the morning.
I should start doing that too.
It really makes busy mornings easier.
I'll give it a try.
I'm sure you'll like it.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Wake up late.
Excellent.
Take a quick shower.
Very good.
Get dressed.
Perfect.
Leave for work.
Great.
Have breakfast.
Wonderful.
Drive safely.
Excellent.
Have a productive day.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking about my morning routine in English now.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for talking about a busy morning before work.
You also learned how to describe waking up late, getting ready quickly, commuting to work, and talking about healthy morning habits.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.